Dosa batter. 1 cup soaked rice. Half cup soaked channa ki dal. Half cup masala dal. 1½ tablespoon methi dana. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 cup water. Blend it well. Cover it for 2 hours. 3 tablespoon roasted chickpea. Half cup coconut. 5 to 6 green chillis. Half teaspoon salt. 1 inch ginger adrak. 5 to 6 curry powder. 1/4 cup water. Blend it well. 2 tablespoon oil. 1 tablespoon soaked masala dal. Mix. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds raai dana. 1 teaspoon cumin zira. 4 to 5 curry powder. Mix. Add tarka. 2 to 3 tomatoes. 10 to 12 red whole chillis. 1 onion. Half teaspoon salt. Blend it well. 2 tablespoon oil. 1 teaspoon mustard seeds raai dana. 1 teaspoon cumin zira. 4 to 5 curry powder. Mix. Add chutney in it. Cook it on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Chicken prepare. 1 tablespoon oil. 1 onion. Mix. 1 teaspoon crushed cumin. Mix. 250 gram minced chicken. 1 teaspoon red chili flakes. 1 teaspoon salt. Mix it well. Cook it for 10 minutes on low flame. 1 chopped green chili. Chopped coriander hradania. 1 teaspoon black pepper. Mix. Done. Dosa batter. Add batter on low flame. Coconut chutney. Tomato onion chutney. Add chicken. Enjoy! If you all like our video, then press the like button and subscribe this channel for new delicious videos.